The following video contains material updated and created by Rooster. Links in the description. Thanks.
Iniciamos la reacción en 3, 2, 1, play. Ok. Descanso de decisiones.
How do you lose your map at a time like that?
Believe me, I've asked myself the same thing ever since.
Imbécil.
Hey, but you made up for it, Mr. Muscles. You should have seen this guy take a giant grim head-on.
I couldn't have done it without Ruby wearing it down.
Me? Did you see Ren during that fight? I think he was out of control.
Cierto.
I'm sorry. I may have lost my temper momentarily.
No, and out of control isn't awesome.
Oh. Thank you.
You did not.
Yeah, right in the middle of the party. Please tell me you let that lady have it.
Of course not.
Even if I did really want to.
No way. I don't believe it.
It's no replacement for the real thing. But I'll make sure to make good use of it.
That's amazing.
Incredible.
And it's just as strong?
Sure is.
Oh.
Wanna bet?
Oh.
Nora, please. Now's not the time.
Don't let her
Come on,
beat you.
you can do this.
You can do it.
Show them what Team
Sí.
Juniper's made of.
Come on, sis! Oh, you can't lose to a girl in a skirt.
You got this, Nora.
You wear a skirt, Ruby. Why is there not cheering loud enough? It definitely feels like the original. I'll give you that.
Yep. But it does have some new features.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
Did she win?
Huh.
Huh?
Yeah. We ate it all. Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Easy there, vomit boy.
Chico
I
vomito.
believe in you.
Oh, we're doing nickname throwbacks now. Wonderful.
I mean, the Ice Queen seems to like it.
So did not miss you people.
Oh my gosh, she really does like it. What went and warmed your heart while you were gone?
Hey! You make it sound like I used to be terrible. Nah. Just a lot to deal with at once.
It's been a long time. We've all grown in our own ways.
You really think so?
Well, think back to when we were all at Beacon. Would you say you ever did anything foolish or embarrassing? Or do you think you were perfect?
Cierto.
Oh gosh. I may have been a little too gung-ho from time to time.
You? I tried to 1v1 a Nevermore on the second day of school.
Yeah, well, don't even get me started.
Oh.
Well, that embarrassment, that desire to go back and tell yourself not to be so stupid, that just proves you're not the same person you used to be. You're smarter, or kinder, or stronger, and you're not done growing yet. None of us are.
Cierto.
Yeah, it turns out Ren gets real deep when he feels like talking. Well, hold on. I thought I was pretty great in school.
Even at the dance, when you spilled punch all over yourself in front of...
Yes, especially the dance. Thank you, Yang.
How can 6 kids possibly make so much noise eating dinner?
Esto es incómodo. Sí.
So, the maidens,
Okay, ya.
magic, Salem, it's all true?
Miss Zhao Long,
Is this more or less what your mother told you?
For the most part. You forgot something. You forgot to tell everyone what you did to Crow and my mother.
Oh.
What is she talking about? Oh, great.
That's not a secret I thought she would give up so easily. Your mother must trust you a great deal.
Oh.
My ability to reincarnate, though a curse, isn't without a few key benefits. Much like the maidens, I too possess a certain magical power. Using this power, I was able to gift the Bryan-kun twins the ability to see more, to move freely and be unburdened by their natural bodies.
Oh, los comenten.
Well, gave them the ability to turn into birds.
Oh. ¿En
Rather
serio?
ridiculous sounding out loud, isn't
Sí.
it?
Wait, what? Uncle?
You turn them into birds.
En cuero.
Alright, now you're just messing with us.
What else is new?
He's telling the truth. We saw it.
Ujú.
Yang's mom changed right in front of us.
Cierto.
Why would you do something like that? I mean, what is wrong with you?
Yang, that's enough. We made a choice. We wanted this.
May I?
Magia.
Granting this power to them was no trivial task, and I can assure you it was not done frivolously. I required assistance in gathering information on Salem's plans.
Ok, o sea, los convirtió en pájaros para buscar... Bueno, para ser espías.
Okay, so have you done this with others? Like General Ironwood or Professor Goodwitch?
As helpful as that might be, unfortunately it is not that simple. My power is finite, and if I'm being honest, dwindling. The amount that I gifted to Crow and Raven was, all things considered, rather minuscule.
¿Minúscula?
You see, centuries ago, I sacrificed a great deal of magic to 4 young women, who I hoped would use my gift for good. They were the first maidens.
Oh, es el viejo. El viejo de la historia. El que le dio poderes a las doncellas.
It was never my intention to lie to you, to any of you. There are just some matters that I prefer to play close to the chest. I believe that's how you phrased it.
Yeah.
Everyone has a choice. Bronwyns chose to accept their powers and the responsibilities that came with
Porque un gran poder conlleva una gran responsabilidad.
one of them chose to abandon her duties in favor of her own self-interest. Now, all of you have a choice. If anyone wishes to leave, now is the time. There is no shame or disgrace in abstaining. Only in retreat.
Nadie se va.
Very well then.
Yang?
If Ruby sticks around, then I will too.
Huh.
If there's one thing I know about her, it's that she somehow always knows the right thing to do. But, if we're going to help, if we're going to keep risking our lives, no more lies. No more half-truths.
Understood.
So, what now? I mean, what can we do?
That is a difficult question. One that I believe is best answered tomorrow.
What do you mean?
The road ahead is undoubtedly filled with hardships and peril. However, it has been far too long since you have all been together. Please, take tonight. Enjoy this moment.
Ese es Oscar.
Oh. Raven? Crow? They're
¡No me digas!
Cracked it.
Demonios. ¡Oh! ¡Oh!
Hey, ugly.
Oh, mierda, ya empezaron. Van a atacar.
Is Raven Bronwyn home?
You know, I've had a real bad week. So I think I'm gonna take it out on you. Doesn't look like he wants to cooperate, boss.
Then make him.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Ok, resumen rápido el capítulo porque no tengo mucho tiempo. Ya, este es más o menos un capítulo de relleno. Y la parte final salió que ya llegaron al escondite de Rayman por la doncella de la primavera. Pero eso se va a descubrir, no sé, en el siguiente episodio. Y bueno, nada más, me despido, no olviden suscribirse, darle like, compartir, comentar y apoyar a este canal. Nos vemos, chao.